It's Super Bowl Sunday. All the pregame shows are done and it's almost time to play ball. But there's one thing left to do before we start. We need to pay respect to our flag and the great nation it represents. Out comes the military color guard. Have you ever noticed how many flags are carried in that color guard? More importantly, what order are they in? I'm Master Sergeant Ches, and this is our flag. The flags carried by that color guard have a very specific order of display. A few our flags ago, I spoke of how, with only a couple of exceptions, our flag always goes to its own right. So now we need to know what goes next to it to the left. To answer this question, we'll need to get back into Title 4 and Title 36. They'll tell you that if you're carrying a flag of a friendly foreign nation, that comes next. Then the flag of the state that you're in. After the state flag, you'll then carry the service flags of the military branches you want to represent. For a national event like the Super Bowl, you'll need all six. But what order? They're ordered by the date they became a branch of the military. The proper order of display for the service flags are as follows: Army, Marines, Navy, Air Force, Space Force, and Coast Guard. So here's a couple of questions to go along with this list. Number one, I thought the Marines were part of the Navy. Why did the Marines go before the Navy? Well, the Navy was created on 13 October 1775, but was disbanded after the Revolutionary War. They were reestablished on March 27, 1794. The Marine Corps, however, has been continuously in existence since 10 November 1775, thus establishing its precedence. Number two, the Coast Guard was established on 4 August 1790. Why doesn't it go before the Air Force, established on 18 September 1947? Well, that's because it's only a part of the Department of Defense in certain times of war. The rest of the time, it's part of the Department of Homeland Security. With our new branch of the Space Force being a full part of the Department of Defense, it goes before the Coast Guard as well. And folks, if you really want to dig into it, every branch of the Guard and Reserve also has a proper place. Even the Academy flags fit in somewhere. To find those answers, I have to refer you to Google, which will take you to the various military regulations to sort that out. So now you know, for every flag there is a specific order of precedence that applies. Just takes a little research to figure it out. And as always, if any listeners have any questions or comments about the content of this series, I welcome you to post comments on my Facebook page, Our Flag, where you can watch all of these episodes from the very first one. May God bless you, may God bless our military and first responders, and of course, may God bless these United States of America. Master Sergeant Ches, out.